By the way, I have. Just on you on behalf of everybody with Avenues for the Rotary installation, for your new chair and officers, for the to Richard John here for the formal beginning and.
God of all people, everywhere, we come with grateful hearts to engage in those activities and projects that make for a better world, a world of peace and love and understanding.
You know that the outgoing president of Rotary International, Ron Burton, is an Oklahoman. And so I'm proud of what we have done this past year, and I'm going to recognize some of the people who made that happen. We keep him happy so he can be generous with what the projects we do. So thank you, Howard. It's my nephew from France. Ready? We have that.
So I'll start pestering you early. Is what that means.
So to be healthy and to help scholarship. Here's my check.
I'll fill out. Before him.
Well, Sandy, we're so glad you're here. We're so glad you're here. Let's give Sandy a hand. And commitment to youth through service to humanity.
That's very sweet. Thank you. It's a pleasure to work with him.
It
I
is.
couldn't be happier.
I know what it's like. The program. One of my goals was to have quality programs all year for that project. I want to thank you for all of
Last year's Paul Harris Fellows. And this year,
one of our scholarship winners from the.
Thank you, John. I need to ask for. There's a lot of things in Rotary that happen like that, walking and running and participating and having a good time. So I applaud your service, but I also want you to have fun. So that's kind of where this goes. This is my aide. That he was actually training for the diplomatic performance of your club. You can respond yes. Yes. But I don't have anything to do with that pin exchange. No. Good. I just have to give you light up Rotary pins. Okay. Would, because it's really the club members and the community, the district really doesn't. We get some extra. All right. You know, when they run out, they run out.
And immense gratitude that is coming.
All right. And with that, I will sit down. Thank you. Bob Campbell and the carrying forward of the object of Rotary. Please answer, I will. Will you?
Yes, Mr. President.
Ellen, I want to thank you. We're honored that you're here, to take the time to be here. And Lori and I really had a great time. I want to thank Marta Hoover, our club secretary, and Anne-Marie Ehrlich, who's the one for the Guatemala project, which I know is close to your heart. John has been going there for years. Yeah. I'd like to thank clients, staff, and volunteers as role models. So thank you, athletes throughout the world. So we left Sydney knowing that Rotary has an incredibly great story. Together, Rotary can light up the world. What I really like about the idea on our community in the world, we can begin to talk more about the opportunities there. And I think most importantly, we can finish the job of the eradication of polio.
Email address. We will keep in touch with you. And you know what? You do have a mission. And that mission is whatever school you're at, if they don't have
Passionate Rotarian, yeah, but he was also in high school led pep rallies, and it's very common in Taiwan. Something they say zat, 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 Z-O-T, zat.
no T. Zat.
Park Ridge Rotary.
Official concern.
Woo!